Alex is working with the files in Python. He wants to read data from a text file. Everything looks correct. He clicks run, but the Python shows another error. This error is called file not found error, and it means Python cannot find the file you requested. Think of it like this. Alex receives a house address and starts driving. But when he reaches the location, the house is not there. The address exists, but the destination cannot be found. Python feels the same way. In this example, Python is looking for a file named data.txt. If that file does not exist in the current folder, Python raises file not found error. The most common reason is a wrong file name. Depending on the operating system, uppercase and lowercase letters may matter. Another common reason is a wrong folder path. If the reports folder does not exist or the file is stored somewhere else, Python cannot find it. A simple solution is checking the file location carefully. Make sure the file name is correct. Make sure the folder path is correct. And also make sure for the file is actually exist. You can also use an absolute path. Now Python knows the exact location of the file. Another good practice is handling the error safely. Whenever you see file not found error, check these things. Is the file name correct? Is the path correct? Does the file actually exist? Most file not found errors are solved by verifying the location of the file. Alex fixes the file path, runs the program again, and the file opens successfully. Problem solved.